Now in this lesson, we will discuss about identifying the centroid of a region. In identifying the centroid of the region, we will first find the area. Next is its m sub y and m sub x, and after that is finding its x bar and y bar together with the following formula. We have here the given problem, the lines y is equals to 2x plus 1 and x plus y is equals to 7 and x is equals to 8. Now we rewrite x plus y equals to 7 as y equals to 7 minus x, and x plus y is equals to 7. We substitute y by 2x plus 1, so x plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 7. 2x plus x is 3x plus 1, and we will put 1 here, it will become negative 1, so 3x is equals to 7 minus 1, and 7 minus 1 is 6, so 3x is equals to 6, and divide both sides by 3, so we have x is equals to 2, so we have now x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 8. We can now proceed to our solution in order to find the centroid of the region, and in identifying the area, we must first follow the formula. So A or area is equal to the integral from A to B of f of x dx. This is the formula for area. Our limit is 2 and 8, which is this. 2 and 8, that is our limit. So 8 and 2, and since we have 2y's, we subtract it, so we have 2x plus 1 and 7 minus x, so that is our f of x, so we will subtract it. We have 2x plus 1 minus 7 plus minus x dx. 8, 2, so 2x, we need to simplify. 2x plus 1 minus 7 plus x dx. And all we need to do is to simplify what is inside the parentheses. Again, integral from 2 to 8. 2x plus x is 3x, and 1 minus 7 is negative 6. Now we can integrate them by a is equals to the integral from 2 to 8 of 3x dx minus 6 multiplied by integral from 2 to 8 dx. So we have here now we have here now 3x squared over 2 minus 6x evaluated from 2 to 8. Now in evaluating, we just need to simply subtract and substitute x by 2 and 8 and then subtract it. Okay, so let's have 3, substitute x by 8 squared over 2 minus 6, substitute x by 8 again and then subtract, and 3, substitute x by 2 squared over 2 minus 6 and substitute x with 2. So now we have here 192 over 2 minus 48. 2 squared times 3 is 12 over 2 minus 6 times 2 is 12. And 192 over 2 minus 48 is 48. Minus 12 over 2 minus 12 is 6. So 48 minus 6, not minus. 48 we have, so 12 over 2 minus 12 is negative 6. And 48 negative times negative is positive, so 48 plus 6. Now 48 plus 6 is 54. So this is our area, 54. But we're not done yet. we need to remember that area is 54. Now let's identify the value of m sub x and m sub y by using the formula of the two. So m sub y, the formula of m sub y is equal to the integral from a to b of x multiplied by f of x minus g of x dx. So in the previous that we tackled, we all know that f of x is 2x plus 1 and g of x is 7 minus x, and we simplify them. So 2x plus 1 minus 7 plus x, and simplify again, 2x plus x is 3x and 1 minus 7 is negative 6. So we have the integral from 2 to 8, x multiplied by 3x is 3x squared minus x multiplied to x is 6x dx. And what are we going to do now? Since it has an exponent, we need to add 1, and the value, after adding 1, that is also our denominator. So 3x squared is will become 3x cubed over 3 minus 6x squared over 2, evaluated from 2 to 8. You can cancel this, x cubed minus, we can simplify 6 over 2, 3, so 3x squared, evaluated from 2 to 8. Again, we're going to substitute x by 8 and 2, and after substitute by 8 and 2, we just simply subtract them. So we have x, so 8 cubed minus 3, 8 squared, subtract 2, 2 cubed minus 3, 2 squared. Now 8 cubed is equals to 512. 3 and 8 squared times 3 is 192. 2 cubed is 8, and 2 squared multiplied by 3 is 12. 512 minus 192 is 320, minus 8 minus 12 is negative 4. Negative times negative is positive. So 320 plus 4, we have our m sub y, 324. This is our m sub y. After finding the value of m sub y, we're going to find now the value of m sub x. So the formula for m sub x is 1/2 multiplied by the integral from a to b multiplied by f of x squared minus g of x squared dx. So our limit is from 2 to 8, and f of x is 2x plus 1 and then squared minus our g of x is 7 minus x squared dx. So 2x minus 1 squared is 4x squared. Remember that a plus b squared is equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So let's do the same to this. So 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 minus 7 minus x squared, we have 49 minus 14x plus x squared dx. And after that, simplify 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 49 plus 14x minus x squared dx. Now we simplify what is inside the parentheses again. So we only have left with 3x squared plus 18x, and 49 minus 1 is negative 48 dx. And this is what are we going to integrate. So 1/2 multiplied by 8 and 2, from 2 to 8, 3x squared dx plus 18x dx minus 48 2 to 8 dx. Now we're going to integrate each. So this will become 3x cubed over 3 plus 18x squared over 2 minus 48x, evaluated from 2 to 8. So 1/2 multiplied by, we can cancel it out, so we have x cubed plus 9x squared minus 48x evaluated again from 2 to 8. So 1/2, we're going to substitute 8 and 2 to x, and after substituting it, we're going to subtract it. So we're going to substitute x with 8, so 8 cubed plus 9, 8 squared minus 48 multiplied by 8 minus substitute x by 2, so 2 cubed plus 9, 2 squared minus 48 multiplied by 2. We're almost done. So 1/2, 8 cubed is 512 plus 8 squared times 9 is 576, and 48 times 8 is 384, minus 2 cubed is 8, and 2 squared multiplied by 9 is 36, minus 48 times 2 is 96. Now I'm going to rewrite the previous solution, the last part. So we have m of x is equals to 1/2 multiplied by 512 plus 576 minus 384 subtracted by 8 plus 36 minus 96, and 512 plus 576 minus 384 is 704, minus 8 plus 36 minus 96, we have negative 52. Negative times negative is positive, so 704 plus 52 is 756. Now we have 1/2 multiplied by 756, we have 378. So this is our m sub x. So gathering all the answers, we have an area of 54, m sub y 324, and m sub x of 378. Now the last part is we're going to identify now the centroid of the region, and to identify the centroid of the region, we have to use this formula in finding the x and y. So bar of x is equals to m sub y over a. So we have m sub y, or m sub y is 324 over our a, our area is 54. Now 324 divided by 54 is 6. So our bar of x, our bar x is 6. How about bar y? Bar y is equals to m sub x over a. Our m of x is 378 over 54. 378 over 54, we have 7. So this is our centroid of the region, 6 and 7, where x is 6 and y is 7. This is the centroid of the region.